Magandang araw po sa inyong lahat mga karibin natin at welcome back dito po sa ating munting channel Pinas News Review kung saan re-reviewin po natin ang mga mahalagang balita dito sa Pilipinas. Mga simpleng komento sa mga issue dito sa Pinas at eto nga mga karibin natin, tanong ng media, former President Rodrigo Roa Duterte, lumihis ang sagot. Nako po, Attorney Trixie Cruz Angeles nagkomento. Yan po ang ating alamin mula po rito sa channel ni Taong Kalye. Nasa description po ang full video link ng balitang ito. I-subscribe nyo na po, Taong Kalye. At kung bago ka pa lang at di pa po nakapag-subscribe sa ating munting channel, please don't forget to subscribe. At i-click na rin po ang bell notification para updated ka po sa lahat ng ina-uploads nating reaction video. At eto na nga mga ka-review. Sama-sama at sabay-sabay po natin pakinggan, panoorin at bigyan ng reaksyon ang balitang ito. Ito na po.
He says further,
there's no such thing. Kasi kung
there's
nandiyan pa
no
yan,
such thing.
talagang lumabas yan.
Sabi niya, there's no such thing na pinag-uusapan, and he says, wala yan. And then he says here's something I can say. And he talks about maraming leader dito, may mga mayor na nagte-take ng illegal na substances. Kasi wala yan, kasi kung totoo yan, matagal nang lumabas yan. So what can we pick up from this? Well, first, nalihis siya, and it seems that alam niya yung punteriya ng video, but he says, what he says is there's several leaders at may mga mayor daw na nagte-take ng ganon. This is my opinion, ha? Ang tingin ko dyan is he's establishing a fact, several facts. Number one, that he's not involved in it, in the video. And two, he does not know for sure that it exists.
Ito nga mga kababayan, sa presscon ni FPRRD, na itanong dito patungkol sa Polvoron video, tila parang hindi nasagot ang pinapunto ng tanong ng media, tila lumihis ang sagot nila. Ang tanong ng media, di ba may sinabi ka na may tumatakbo presidente ng gumagamit ng pinagbabawal na gamot, ngunit ang sagot nila maraming gumagamit niyan pati mga mayor. Okay, ito ang pag-uusapan natin sa video na ito. Kung bago ka lang sa aking YouTube channel, baka pwede makahingi ng like at subscribe at click mo na rin ang notification bell para updated ka sa aking nilalabas na bagong video. Salamat po.
We're talking about, of course, that video, yung pinag-uusapan ng matagal na ni Madam Maharlika, at today nag-comment po si FPRD. And he was asked about the video. So I hope maririnig po ninyo ito. I have, nasa TikTok din, I took a portion, I excerpted a portion of the video and nasa TikTok natin. But let's play this one. Hopefully marinig. Okay. There he goes. He says, wala yan. Yung video.
I can say that hindi lang leader dito, maraming mayor dito nagpo-case.
Okay. So he says, wala yan. Well, I can say dito maraming mayor, dito maraming leader na nagte-take ng you know what. Tapos, he says further,
there's no such thing. Kasi kung
there's
nandiyan pa
no
yan,
such thing.
talagang lumabas yan.
Sabi niya, there's no such thing. Kasi kung andyan pa yan, matagal nang lumabas yan. Okay. And that's it.
Wala yan.
Wala yan. Inulit pa niya.
Yan. Mayor, ayun.
Okay, so, ngayon, maraming nagtatanong ngayon kung anong ibig sabihin nun or what is our take on that. Alright, so this is what he says. So he says first, wala yan. Okay. Kasi merong video na pinag-uusapan and he says, wala yan. And then he says here's something I can say. And he talks about maraming leader dito, may mga mayor na nagte-take ng illegal na substances or one particular one, no? Tapos he goes on to say, wala yan kasi kung totoo yan, matagal nang lumabas yan. So what can we pick up from this? Well, first, nalihis siya, and it seems that alam niya yung punteriya ng video, but he says, What he says is there's several leaders at may mga mayor daw na nagtitake ng ganon. Implying that this is entirely possible. That the event allegedly contained in the video, whatever it is true because there are others who do that. Right? And then he says, wala yan, kasi kung totoo yan, matagal nang lumabas yan. What is he establishing? Hindi sa inaano niya, no? Hindi sa binabaliwala niya. Kasi he doesn't say whether or not he believes in it. So, except nang sinasabi niya is merong ganon there's certain leaders who actually do something like that. Pero ang sinabi niya is kung totoo yan, lumabas na yan. Ang tingin ko, this is my opinion ha, ang tingin ko dyan is he's establishing a fact, several facts. Number one, that he's not involved in it, in the video. And two, he does not know for sure that it exists. Okay, so what is he establishing na wala siyang kinalaman dito? He's not saying it directly, but he's saying wala siyang kinalaman dito. The reason ito yung interpretation ko is kasi a week ago, may nag-message sa akin from the military, from that group that supposedly or allegedly saw this alleged video. Hindi niya sinasabing siya, no? But he's saying that merong kasing umikot na balita na maraming may hawak ng alleged copies ng alleged video na yan. And that they had seen it. And ang sabi is, a group of PMAers daw ay meron na nun. So may umikot na balita na merong mga may hawak na kopya na ganon. And according to the rumor mill, isa doon si dating Pangulo. So in saying this, what he's saying is wala siyang kinalaman dyan, hindi niya alam yan, and he doesn't believe it exists. Kasi yung existence niyan is simply a matter of belief right now. And sa kanya, hindi siya naniniwala. Of course, lahat yan mapabubulaanan pag lumabas kung mayroon man ang video na yan. So, mahalaga yan, lalo na sa panahon ngayon. Kasi may mga ino-oppress, di ba? May mga pinatatahimik, may mga tinitreten, nakakasuhan. Kasi kahit ako mismo, may nag-message na sa amin na hala makukulong ka or something like that. You're in trouble. Pagka yan may nangyari, you're going to be in trouble. Ginaganon ako. So, mayroong calls na nagaganon at meron din minsan nasa message. Okay. So, and therefore, ang tingin ko is, yun yung, that's one way of dealing with that issue. May mga iba, ang interpretation nila ay china-challenge nilang ilabas yung mga kopya na yan. But I don't think so. Kasi may timing ang lahat. So, may timing ang lahat ng ito. Bakit ko sinasabing may timing? Bakit sinasabi na hindi pwedeng ilabas yan ngayon? Okay? Ang tingin ko dyan is, the reason naghihinala ang administrasyon dito kay VP Inday at kay former President Duterte, hinala take note, is because of the GMA formula. Okay? Noon, nung si GMA ay Vice President, there are two versions of this, no? Nagkaroon ng coup, supposedly, well, quote-unquote, or a rebellion, and they were able to take over. Ang ruling ng Supreme Court doon is, on whether or not maaaring tumakbo pa si GMA. Ang sabi ng Korte Suprema, dahil umabot ng 2 years, yes, entitled si GMA to another term of 6 years. Nung umabot ng 3 years, 2 or 3 years, 2 years I think, ay umabot, 2.5, ay because of that, maaari pa siyang tumakbo ng isang term. So, ito kasi yung reason kung bakit very insecure at very worried ang administrasyon dun sa mga Duterte. we know that VP Inday had no plans of anything. We know that President Duterte has repeatedly said he is retired, he's no longer seeking office. Although once in a while, sinasabi niya, takbo kaya ako. If in-impeach si Inday, I will have no choice but to return to politics. So, yun yung konteksto. Kaya worried yung administrasyon, baka sila ma-erap. 'Di ba? At kung ma-erap sila, hindi yan gagawin ng maaga pa lang within the first year. Kasi dahil yung Supreme Court ruling, parang 2 years or more pa kailangan para ma-entitle yung VP to run for another term. And therefore, it is important for former President Duterte to indicate and send a strong signal na wala siyang interest, na he's not interested in any kind of takeover, na wala siyang interest dun sa sa pagpapalit ng leadership, and that he himself is retired. He did not even talk to any of the military, di ba? Wala siyang kausap na PNP kasi sabi niya, sinong siraulong military o police ang maniniwala sa akin? Bakit pupunta sila sa akin? So he also denied that in the same interview. Ngayon, like I said, nobody yet really knows except for the people who actually hold it, who if that video exists. Okay? Ngayon, this is what I think worries people. Is indicative of something. Kasi tignan ninyo, bakit worried ang administrasyon? Bakit sila worried to the point that they don't address the issue? Dineded Manila. And at the point where a lot of people, it's starting to snowball, kailangan i-address nila yung issue na ito because it might have a destabilizing effect. Diba? Now, the rule always is for any government to protect itself. The state protects itself. Okay?
So yan mga ka-review natin, yan pala yung dahilan, no, mga ka-review. Kung bakit nilihis, no, ni dating Pangulong Duterte yung kanyang sagot. Eto rin mga ka-review natin, opinion lang din po ito kasi sa continuation po ng video yan mga ka-review natin, nung interview kaya dating Pangulong Duterte, isa po sa pinag-usapan na mag-uusap, no, mag-uusap si PBBM at si Pangulong Duterte patungkol naman po sa pagkakansela ng kanyang programa sa SMNI mga ka-review, no? Kung bakit. So isa po 'yan sa gusto sanang kausapin ni dating Pangulong Duterte si PBBM. Ngayon ang opinion ko mga ka-review natin, syempre pag sinabi niya, 'di ba? Sinang-ayunan niya yung Pulveron video ngayon, mga ka-review. Sa palagay niyo po ba may chance pa na magkausap po sila? Yan ay opinion lang kasi kasabay po yan doon sa pag-i-interview, no? Sa sinagot ni dating Pangulong Duterte. So, syempre kung ikaw ang 'di ba? Kung ikaw ang gustong humingi ng pabor sa administrasyon, syempre hindi mo sasabihin na alam mo or may alam ka something, kahit alam mo, 'di ba? Magdi-deny ka rin kasi gusto mo siyang kausapin, no? Sabi doon ni dating Pangulong Duterte, gusto niyang tulungan si Pastor Apollo Kibuloy doon sa kanyang channel, no, na SMNI. Ano sa palagay niyo mga ka-review natin? Connected ba? Yung mga opinion natin dito? Well, anyway, lahat naman tayo may kanya-kanyang opinion mga ka-review natin at accepted po yan dito sa ating channel, no? Comment nyo lang po sa baba para at least alam po ng ating mga kababayan ang inyong nararamdaman patungkol po dito sa isyong ito, no, mga ka-review. Yan, kung bago ka pa lang at di pa po nakapag-subscribe sa ating munting channel, please don't forget to subscribe. at i-click na rin po ang bell notification para updated ka po sa lahat ng ina-uploads nating reaction video at huwag din pong kalimutan mag-subscribe kay Taong Kalye. Nasa description po ang full video link ng balitang ito. Subscribe na po kayo, Taong Kalye. Maraming salamat po.